Welcome to the History Channel 26, dedicated to historical objects to collect and study. Seals, numismatics, heraldry, philately, calligraphy. This video describes the 2,000 franc assignat put into circulation on 18 Nivos of the year 3 of the French Republic, with a description of the document and an attempt to evaluate its value in 1795. In the French revolutionary monetary system, when bronze, silver, and gold coins coexisted, the coins used in 1795 are as follows. Copper coins, 1 liard or 3 denier, 1/2 sou or 6 denier, 12 denier or 1 sou, 2 sous. Silver coins, 15 sous, 30 sous, 1/2 écu or 3 livres, 1 écu or 6 livres. Gold coins, 1/2 louis or 12 livres, 1 louis or 24 livres. Note that 12 denier equal 1 sou, 20 sous equal 1 livre, or 1 livre equals 20 sous or 240 denier. Most assignats in use in 1795 are as follows. The assignats in franc appear only in 1795 and are mixed with the older money in sous and livre. 10 sous, 5 livres, 10 livres, 500 livres, 100 franc, 750 franc, 1,000 franc, 2,000 franc, 10,000 franc. Description of the 2,000 franc assignat. The assignat is printed on very thin paper, cigarette paper. It is cut on the left with a characteristic wave cut. A security mark is printed on the back. The 2,000 franc assignat was created on January 7, 1795. The inscriptions on the note include the date, the engraver's signature, the note number and the series number. Several engravers' signatures coexist. Here are some of them. In the illustration, a peasant selling his assignats to a money changer. Period image by Jean-Baptiste Lesueur. Two round engravings adorn the note at the top left and right. Victory and peace. On the vertical sides, large black lines reveal the text in round English writing. Assignat of 2,000 francs and French Republic. 2 symbolic representations on supports. Architecture and liberty. 2 dry stamps are located at the bottom left and right of the assignat. The first on the left represents the sovereign people based on an engraving of the time. The second represents agriculture and trade. The paper has a watermark embedded during its manufacture. On 5 lines we can read, "The law punishes with death. The counterfeiter. The nation rewards. The whistleblower. £2,000. The value of the 2,000 franc assignat in 1795. 2,000 livres currency equals 2,000 francs. In relative value, the man in the street knows that this new assignat does not have the value it promises. In metal currency the difference is obvious. Thus, the real value of the notes is very different and has decreased since the introduction of assignats in 1789. A 2,000 franc assignat from 1789 is worth only 80 livres, 80 francs, in 1795. The value or purchasing power of the 2,000 franc assignat in 1795. Evolution of a worker's salary between 1750 and 1795. For a 10-hour working day the salary doubles. It goes from 10 sous to 20 sous. Between 1750 and 1795, the price of bread of 2 pounds of weight goes from 4 sous in 1750 to 30 pounds, or 600 sous in 1795. Between the beginning of the Revolution and 1795, the price of bread increased by 150%. The value of the 100-pound note issued in 1789 collapses to disappear at the end of 1795. The 6-franc silver coin is exchanged for 180 pounds in assignats. The 2,000 franc note lost 75% of its value between January 1795 and July 1795. In November 1795, the government restarts the production of metal coins. It puts an end to the use of assignats in 1796.